What happened to you? Come sit down this a little. Mr. Tucker, how you do?
Fine.
Sit down, man. What happened to you? Talk to me now, Mr. Tucker. Because my name is Andre. I'm from Kingston. I'm a social media commentator. Everybody knows me. I know that the MP came here yesterday. Is that there's truth to that, right? And you and the MP and Alex had some conversation.
I was talking about Alex putting some things with
Come up now, come I want to see. I'm a journalist. You understand?
Although them I say me no people no more. If I know media, if me can identify as a media people them.
I'm a social, I can tell you, I'm a social media commentator, right? And what is happening is that there's a lot of talks happening, say, wanna get money, wanna get this, wanna get that. But me not come fit in that argument. You understand, Mrs. Tucker? What is really happening here?
Yes.
So this is your daughter?
Yes.
How old are you?
13.
13. And you go to Guys Hill High School as well? What is your name? Denisha Tucker. People sing it? So Mrs. Tucker, I spoke with the MP last night, Miss Carencia Morrison, right? She came up here yesterday and she clarified that the house is going to be built. Where is the house going to be built?
Around that side because they have an piece of land on
So you
side.
that you're going to
Yes.
get access
Yeah.
to the land.
Yes, she have
Access to the land. So what are you going to do
It
with
could be coming, a house can come here. You know,
No,
but-
this had
no,
this
no,
Tucker,
me
this not
say a house, what it was going to be put here, but you me not have the papers for it right now, man. You have paper for the one around there.
there, so? Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
we're going to put it I want, and that.
So this is the block that Alex buy?
This is the 300 blocks that he bought.
300.
Yes, that's what he said, and he said that he bought 15 sheets of ply.
So how much
And
plywood?
he can only show a receipt for 3. That's what I heard.
So how much ply you get from Alex?
About 8.
8.
Yeah, and Asafa Powell by 8.
8. So it wasn't Alex who buy the ply, then it's Asafa.
Asafa by someone Alex came here with. A truck came here that Alex get the ply to carry the ply on here.
So this a 300 block?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yeah.
You counted for yourself? Miss Tucker,
I'm sorry to be laughing.
you count the block them for yourself? Oh, you know, Jamaica, come, Zoe, carry something. Oh, you know when a 300 block?
When they count till you reach 300.
So how much you get when you check it?
I don't think it's 100.
You don't think a 100 block?
No.
So how much money Alex give you?
You give Delano 10.
10,000?
You buy the school, and I think I got 3,000 to $4,000 from him. Because what he did, when he came here Wednesday, I was not feeling well. So I just take out some money and push it in my hand. So I just me have on this punch and I wasn't feeling so well, so I just put it in my pocket. And it's not the amount that he's.
So me hear him say me give 300 too. So talk to me plain and
Was it true?
calm down. So you are Delano and Alex no good friend.
They are schoolmate from primary, from grade 2.
And don't think come ever complain to sometimes. Alex.
No. Since Street Driven TV, Mr. Lee, I don't remember his last name, Mr. Lee, since Mr. Lee come and do the video, he's been doing and saying all these things. I know he give me money yesterday and we see money and payment.
Same give you money yesterday? Me just ask you yes or no?
No. Because me and Miss Morrison was talking.
When did Miss Morrison come to you? When did Miss Morrison come to you? Wednesday? Monday? When are you and Miss Morrison, the MP talk?
Face to face?
Yes.
Yesterday.
Yesterday.
By the guys in school.
By the guys in school.
I was up there.
Before that, did the MP call you?
She was the first person who reached out to me when the video came out.
She was the first one?
She was the first one who called me.
Of all people that she called you first?
She was the first.
And is not force the MP force you to say so?
No, because when the video come out, a guy named Shaggy, because I was around the road looking after a sick man, and then come around there and say, you can't leave here, so now me say yes. He said, come in I care, and then carry me go down the road. And somebody, a family that knows me well, and knows my husband very well, give me some money and say, go buy some food up a shop, this so cook for you and your picnic, then get.
So me stuck her.
And then carry me go there and me cook down my house.
How long you eat the garlic and the onion? Be honest. So me stuck her, how you do it?
Because I know I don't have anything else to give them, and that is what I have. I look after it. And
so where you get the garlic and the onion? In the market? Or you grow those things?
no, we don't grow those things. When my husband works and give me what he has.
What kind of work he does?
He does, he's a janitor at the primary school.
So but you can't work?
No, I used to.
What kind of work you used to
I
do?
used to look after an old lady, but through my hand then no so.
Flexible
No
again?
flexible again. Then anytime I do anything hard, them
swell up.
Swell up. So I said before me drop her, make me leave, and from that me know.
So how your foot?
It's much better than it was, but it's still giving me problem.
Can I see the foot?
From right here, go right down to the.
So you need to get somebody to. You need to see a doctor. But you spoke to Mark Golding?
No.
You don't speak to Mark Golding?
No.
Hey!
No.
Wait there! So how Mark Golding I say?
No. The only time I see him is on the TV when the TV is working.
So wait there. So all the man a boss and I say, no. Pass the camera there. Hey!
I want them no people come down here and stuff, you know.
That's a
The
relief.
only place I've seen him is on TV, and
Wait, the way you tell Jamaica.
I've never seen or spoken. I saw him is on the TV.
So
when
Mr.
it is working.
When the TV at work?
He up there, so I help them with the care them.
Yeah, and probably I help. So man, Mrs. Tucker, you're saying that Mark Golding never come down here yet?
No.
And you don't get a call?
No.
So you, Graham, never come up here?
Yes, he did.
So where you, Graham, go now? We're doing a live interview on social media. Can you just give it that? Alright, my dear. No problem. You look so nice. What's your name?
My name is Nikita.
And this is Delano's sister. Jamaica.
No, make it bite you.
100 and add black.
100 and add black. And a 300. So as you say now, Mr. Golding never come. So when Mr. Hugh Graham can come up here?
The shorty came and through the smoke and thing, and me came and the smoker was over there sitting down.
So him not give on nothing? So
Not that I know of.
no, but when me go say, so all of them people come up here and make it seem as though something happen. Come sit down before you drop down. Sit down. You're not feeling well? Come sit down, man. Nothing in the rain. Come. You have an umbrella? Come, just sit down. Me don't say you're stressed out. Sit down. Sit down. Miss Tucker, sit down. Me don't say things not so well. Whose books are those? Apostle, me there Delano Tucker house. Me soon call you back.
Oh, we want to know the truth about the $300,000. Because me don't know if me should believe Alex.
Well, there with the woman not have no money here. There's no money here. There's none. Me a go down there soon. See them him say a 300 black him carry and see that 104 we count. Bless up yourself, mama. How you do? What is your
Take picture.
who?
She, I'm a daughter.
So you are my fair mommy?
Yeah.
See the mother here. Oh, alright.
You don't want to be highlighted.
Me soon call you back. So see then, what you say? You there when the only pa money, them claims to them camp. You wasn't here. But you believe some, if the money come based on how you look, me feel so she would have looked upon you and ask if you count out the money. Or Mr. Tucker would have asked you.
Yeah, she have her son with.
The land or the boat.
No umbrella, no nothing. No.
Come on.
Me good man, see me come prepared.
Want your umbrella.
Get an umbrella for her. But the land a bright man. How you manage?
We just manage.
So the house in a one better condition now like how they. So the rain now affect it bad now.
No.
So these are your dogs.
Yeah.
So what the MP promise for help out with now?
Which one?
Parents, yeah. See the yeah. You're such a nice lady. You do hospitality. What you do? What you study?
I am thinking about
Nursing? Teaching?
yes.
I can't you can I show Jamaica? Okay.
Primary education.
Primary education. Alright. So what you want Jamaica to know, Mrs. Tucker? Mrs. Tucker, talk to them, man. Tell them what you want them to know.
Not to believe what? Not to believe all the social, what they are saying on social media because it's not true. It's not true. That's because of it I'm getting a lot of bashing and cussing from all over the world. People calling me and cussing me and can't manage no more, right?
So it has stressed you out? Me no want you to cry this evening, you know. So you have Sunday dinner for tomorrow?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You have Sunday dinner? Alright, so what I'm going to do for you this evening, I'm going to be the watchdog. I'm going to help you monitor the project. You understand? So, I'm going to leave my number with you. And I have a restaurant in Kingston. I know Delano said he wanted to be a health inspector, an agricultural inspector. So I think possibly there is opportunities there for me and him to sit down and talk about a future. Especially when we need to do internship and so forth, you understand? But I don't want nobody stress you out. I don't want you to stress out yourself. And see all the monies that you get, you have them in the bank account?
Yes, sir.
And is there somebody monitoring the money for you? Or is you or Mr. Tucker doing it?
two accounts.
Mm-hmm.
This Geisel High School has one.
Mm-hmm.
So they are monitoring that one.
Mm-hmm.
And there is a personal one for Delano by the J.N. Bank in Highgate.
Highgate. So when you set up that?
Tuesday. It was the principal who gave me the money and the money to take taxi, go down there, and the fee to open the account.
Wow. I don't want you to stress out yourself, alright? Alright? So, before all of this, Mrs. Tucker, what did the guys in high school do for Delano and?
To tell you the truth, they have been helping them out from grade 7, from they started. If I don't have anything to give them to eat, I just go up there and talk to the former principal and the one that was there. The one that was there before. And if they do, sometimes they take it out of their purse and give it. And if they don't have any cash in their purse, they take it from the tuck shop and give to me and say, go and go cook a nice dinner for your children, them man. Anytime you don't have any lunch or anything for them to eat, just
come to them.
Come to them and make them know. So, what them say about say school thief and then something there?
There's no truth to
no
it.
truth. They are very helpful.
But Alex,
they don't help
but
my
even
kids
Alex,
alone.
no, them help everybody. But it seems as though Alex is genuinely wanted to help out, help out the project. What you think?
I don't know, you know. I really don't know because on that subject I don't really want to say anything because I went up by the school yesterday and something come out. He's saying I am bashing him, which I am not doing. All these things are getting me really angry and upset and I don't like it.
I'm going to say to you,
Don't like it.
the Lord going to bless you now. You understand? The Lord is going to bless you all. And I don't want you to stress out yourself about it. If you don't have to take any more interviews or any more calls, don't take them. Okay, Mrs. Tucker? I'll give you my number and I'll tell you the plan of action of what we plan to do. But it's not the first or the last time you're going to see me. Alright? Take time, take time, take time. Come. You have the phone? Enough dogs you have, man.
I told them you have half puppy.
All marrow, no, man.
I could have catch him.
Oh. Leave it. Nobody get. Remember, say my young man, you know. Alex, no, follow up Alex.
I'll leave that all I catch, right?
Sure. Don't you know?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Come, let me put in the number. Something they come put in a number for me as also. No worry yourself, man. No stress out yourself. I just wanted to speak to you. I know some people really are upsetting you. But me tell you the plan where I spoke to the MP. So there's a big plan coming. You understand? You understand?
And that is not even mine.
Is what? Whose is it?
It's my daughter when she got it and because my phone not charged.
So you don't have a phone?
No.
Jamaica, if there's anybody who wants to help mommy with a phone, Miss Tucker needs a phone. Right? So there was an argument said some iPhone come. Wanna get the iPhone? Tell the Jamaica for that you don't get the iPhone then. Miss Tucker, you get the iPhone then?
No.
So what kind of phone Delano get?
Samsung S, I think it's a Samsung S7.
So you're not getting an iPhone? What me hear argument out this one get should I get iPhone? You hear the argument they don't it, Miss?
The minute sir, one lady called me from overseas yesterday morning and cost me about it.
Cause you say what?
So you should have answered my phone. When me a call, you don't have to answer on the phone. Because you don't get iPhone, you don't not answer on the phone.
Wow. See, you don't have a phone. Mr. Tucker have a phone?
His phone is a banger. He has a banger.
All right.
Your daughter have to come and put in the code, eh?
Where's she know the crew?
Where she is, let you come and put in the
Maybe she's getting her ear comb for school.
Who come her here for her?
Some girls came and promised to comb it for her.
But she went that way, so she probably inside. So call her, let you put the number in.
Stop stress out. I stress, she's stressing her. Stress is stress. But up your cool though, Miss Tucker.
Up your nice and cool.
So you know on a farmland zone you can't farm up.
Yeah, down below your house.
Which part?
Yeah, ready for me.
See it here. 865 4587. Andre Stevens, yeah. Put it on the, yeah. Andre, Andre,